Dittany, also known as Dittany of Crete, is a perennial herb native to the Mediterranean, particularly the Greek island of Crete. Renowned since ancient times for its medicinal and culinary uses, Dittany is a member of the Lamiaceae family, which includes other aromatic herbs like oregano and thyme. This herb has a storied history in folklore, traditional medicine, and even pop culture, where it is mentioned as a healing remedy in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series. Hermione Granger used essence of Dittany to heal Ron Weasley's injuries from splinching, highlighting its mythical reputation as a potent healer. Growth and habitat Dittany thrives in rocky, arid environments and is primarily found on the island of Crete, where it grows in cliffs and gorges. This herb prefers well-drained soils and abundant sunlight, making it well-suited to Mediterranean climates. It is a compact plant, reaching a height of 8 to 12 inches, with fuzzy oval leaves and pink or purple flowers that bloom in summer. The plant's aromatic oils give it a strong scent reminiscent of oregano, to which it is closely related. Locations. While Dittany is endemic to Crete, it is cultivated in other regions with similar climates for both ornamental and medicinal purposes. It is a rare and protected species in the wild, making cultivated sources the preferred option for harvesting. Harvesting. Dittany is typically harvested in the summer when its aromatic oils are most concentrated. The aerial parts, including the leaves and flowers, are collected and dried for medicinal and culinary uses. Edible uses Dittany is used as a culinary herb in Mediterranean cuisine, often as a substitute for oregano. It imparts a robust, slightly bitter flavor, and is commonly added to meat dishes, stews, and sauces. Dittany tea, made by steeping the dried leaves and flowers in hot water, is a traditional beverage in Crete, enjoyed for its soothing and health-promoting properties. Medicinal uses. Dittany's medicinal properties are extensive, owing to its high content of thymol and other active compounds. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a variety of ailments, particularly those involving infections and respiratory issues. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. Antimicrobial and antiviral properties, antibiotic and antibacterial effects. Dittany contains thymol, a potent antimicrobial compound also found in oregano. It is effective against a wide range of bacteria, including Salmonella and Streptococcus. This makes it valuable for treating both internal and external infections. Antiviral effects. Dittany's compounds inhibit viral replication, making it a great remedy for combating viral infections, especially of the upper respiratory tract. Immune system support. Dittany stimulates a sluggish immune system, helping the body respond more effectively to infections. Its immune-boosting properties are particularly useful during flu season or when recovering from illness. Respiratory health. Dittany is renowned for its ability to open up congested airways and provide relief from respiratory infections. It is often used to treat conditions like bronchitis, sinusitis, and colds. It soothes irritated mucous membranes and reduces inflammation, making it an excellent remedy for viral infections of the upper respiratory tract. Wound healing. In traditional medicine, Dittany was applied to wounds and cuts for its antiseptic and healing properties. Its antimicrobial compounds prevent infection and promote faster healing. While Dittany offers numerous health benefits, caution is advised in certain situations: pregnancy and nursing. Dittany should not be taken during pregnancy or while nursing due to its potential abortifacient properties. It has a history of use in inducing menstruation, which may pose risks to pregnancy. Moderation. As with any medicinal herb, Dittany should be used in moderation to avoid potential side effects, such as irritation of the digestive tract. Dittany is a remarkable herb with a rich history and a wide range of uses, from culinary applications to powerful medicinal benefits. Its antimicrobial, antiviral, and immune-stimulating properties make it a valuable remedy for infections and respiratory conditions. However, its use should be approached with caution, particularly for pregnant or nursing individuals. Whether sipping a soothing cup of Dittany tea or exploring its healing potential, this herb continues to captivate and heal, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern wellness.